So what is CPC in keyword research? So let's just go to the keyword strategy tool, and I will show you what this means. So let's just put in Ruby Ring as an example. In the United Kingdom, we've got this positive list comes up. Okay, so we've done our keyword research, we've done our negative keywords using the tool, and then what we're going to do is send that positive data over onto a spreadsheet like so. So we'll just wait for the spreadsheet to appear at the bottom of the page. Here it is. So we're going to export, open the spreadsheet, and at the top of that spreadsheet, let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. These are the values that you see. So column A is the keyword that we've decided is a positive keyword, i.e. it's the keyword that we think is going to drive the right type of traffic. Column B is the search volume. So this is how many people are searching in the month in which we did the research. And then you'll see this search CPC. So CPC stands for cost per click. So this is an estimated cost per click. If you were doing paid advertising through Google AdWords in this particular case, or Google Ads as they now call it, basically this is an estimate of how much it would cost every time somebody clicks on your link. So cost per click is CPC. It's a valuable part when you do your keyword research to understand how much is it going to cost me if I do paid advertising, and how does that fit into the overall strategy. So obviously you don't want to pay too much cost per click. Every business is different and has a cost per click that they can afford. So some people might say I'm only prepared up to maybe 30p a click. Some others might say, well, I'm not prepared to spend any more than £30 a click. So cost per click, CPC. Thank you.